Marco Bezzecchi, a rookie, wins the opening MotoGP pole position at Buriram in 2022's Thailand Grand Prix. George Martin of Pramac and Francesco Bagnaia, a factory title candidate, will be on the all-Ducati front row alongside the VR46 rider, who only had one fresh soft tyre left for qualifying. Fabio Quartararo, the current world champion, once again engaged the Desmo Cedis with his monster Yamaha, the only non-Ducati in the top 7. Marc Marquez, who has won the Buriram double, was fastest in the first practice session on Friday before dropping to 6th, 10th and 12th during the subsequent sessions. The Repsol Honda driver finished first in qualifying 1, which advanced him to the Q2 shootout. With just one fresh soft rear tire left, he appeared to have headed for the first row, but an error at the penultimate curve dropped him to 8th place. The Q1 graduate was Miguel Oliveira of KTM, who ultimately qualified just in front of teammate Brad Binder. Alex Espargaro, a title contender for Aprilia, put forth a heroic effort to lead Q1 heading into the final minutes before being knocked out of the transfer places on the final lap. Espargaro had been struggling all weekend to find grip with the harder construction rear tires which were last used in Austria. Once he got back to the pits, the defeated Spaniard left the Aprilia garage. Maverick Vinales, a teammate who has been disappointed by running wide on numerous occasions today, will start only in the 17th place. Yamaha test rider Carl Crutchlow, who replaced the retired Andrea Dovizioso at RNF for the third round of his sixth-race comeback, was back on the track after breaking his right ankle in a significant high side on Friday. From 24th and last on the starting grid, Danilo Petrucci will make his Suzuki MotoGP debut, lapping Marc Marquez, who led qualifying 1 by 1.6 seconds. After the Italians' collision on the penultimate lap at Motegi, Fabio Quartararo now leads Francesco Bagnaia by an additional 18 points heading into the final 4 races. The Japanese Grand Prix was similarly a forgettable event for Alex Espargaro, who finished 16th and dropped 25 points from the lead due to mechanical troubles that necessitated a last-minute bike swap. Marc Marquez, who won the pole at Motegi last weekend, narrowly held off youngster Quartararo to win his 7th World Championship at Buriram in 2019. Maverick Vinales finished third on the podium, separated by just 1.3 seconds. This weekend, Danilo Petrucci returns to the MotoGP. The twice Premier Class champion with Ducati, who recently finished second in the Moto America Superbike Championship, is filling in for the injured Joan Mir at Suzuki. The injured countryman Takaki Nakagami of LCR Honda will be replaced by HRC test rider Tetsuta Nagashima on the track in addition to Petrucci. Tetsuta Nagashima crashed out his MotoGP race debut last weekend at Motegi. The Buriram tournament is expected to take place in rainy conditions. Brad Binder, Alex Marquez, George Martin, Iñaki Bastianini, Luca Marini, along with this year's rookie Marco Bezzecchi, Fabio, Darren Binder, Remy Gardner and Raul Fernandez are among the 10 riders who have never competed in MotoGP at Buriram. The other end-of-season flyaways have also been removed from the schedule due to COVID restrictions in 2019.